Grinnellian. It means asking hard questions. And questioning easy answers. It means finding what you truly care about and having the guidance and advice to pursue your passion with purpose. And it means knowing your way around a complex world and how to make it better for everyone. That's what it means to be Grinnellian. People from everywhere, finding strength in their differences and joy in each other. Individuals of fierce intellect and unquenchable curiosity. Living, breathing proof that extraordinary journeys seldom begin in obvious places. And some of the most extraordinary begin at Grinnell.